Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Inventions. Before getting into the video, please subscribe. Your subscription is very important for me, and hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a box from the brand Roop Mantra. This is the box, and so basically Roop Mantra is an Indian brand which has all the skincare products. I mean, this brand has skincare products, and these are ayurvedic skincare products. So they take care of all the skin problems such as dull skin, dry skin, pimples and everything. And the products are ayurvedic, so that means that zero side effects, and the products are actually very good for our skin. And the products are almost available everywhere in India, and if they are not available, you can always order them online. So again, I'm saying the brand name is Roop Mantra. So let's open this box and see what is inside. I am super excited to see, and this can take a little time. So I have opened the box, and inside I can see 7 products, and let's look into the product one by one. So this is the first face wash, and this is the Roop Mantra mixed fruit ayurvedic medicinal face wash, and this says this removes facial skin dirt which prevents blemishes and pimples. That is what this says. And this is 100 ml plus 15 ml extra. Directions for use: take small quantity in your palm and mix it with a little water. Massage gently over face and neck in circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with water. Okay, so this helps in reducing pimples and blemishes. So these are the ingredients, which are grape seed extract, apple fruit, carrot, kumari, and everything you can see. Okay, so this retails for 83 rupees, and this is 115 ml, and this expiry date is 3 years from manufacturing, and this is 02/2018, so we have quite a lot of time. This is like a flip open cap, and this is the, let's see the color. Okay, so this is a flip open cap, and so let's see the texture. Okay, oh. This is like a gel, and this is light pink in color, and this smells a little, the fragrance is like the milder version of a jam. The fragrance is quite pleasant, and I think you will like the fragrance. So this is it. This is the second face wash, and this is the neem face wash, Roop Mantra neem face wash, and this also says removes excess oil, deep rooted dirt, controls blemishes and pimples. This also says that this will control pimples. And let's check the ingredients. This is all the products are 15 ml extra, so this also says the same thing, like the method of application is the same, and these are the ingredients: neem leaves, etc. You can see, and this also retails for 83 rupees, and the quantity is again same, and I think manufacturing will be the same. No, this is 04/2018, and this also has an expiry of 3 years. So let's see the texture. All the face washes are gel based. You can see this one. This is the texture of this one, and the fragrance is like of the fragrance is somewhat similar to if I have to say hammam soap, if I'm saying it correctly, like the milder version of hammam soap. So it's really nice. This is the third one, and this is the aloe vera ayurvedic medicinal face wash. I have never used any aloe vera face wash. I have always used the aloe vera gel, but never the face wash, aloe vera based face wash. This says removes facial skin dirt which prevents blemishes and pimples. I'm actually happy all the face washes till now, they work on pimples. That is really nice, because in summer months we do get pimples, like I do get pimples. So this is the aloe vera based, and what does this say? The procedure is same. I'm not going to read it out every time, but the procedure is same, and these are the ingredients. You can see kumari leaves pulp, neem leaves, tulsi and everything, and this is also for the same price, and everything is same. So let's see the texture of this one. Okay, this is also green, and this is light green. And the fragrance of this is also quite nice, and the fragrance is quite light, and it smells the fragrance is quite refreshing kind of a fragrance. I can't relate to it, but it is also somewhat like hammam kind of a smell. The fourth one, and this is the Roop Mantra Lime and Mint Ayurvedic Face Wash. And what does this say? This claims to remove dryness and roughness, controls skin cracking. Okay, dryness and roughness, it's quite important, and I have dry skin, and so this can help me a lot. And the packaging is also very nice. This also says the same things, lemon fruit extract, tulsi and everything, pudina leaf, everything. And this retails for 83 rupees, and everything is same. So let's this is also manufactured 03/2018. So this is in yellow color, and oh my god, okay, you have to be very careful while taking this out because there is no control. Like, these are gel based and they come out really fast. And the fragrance is quite lemony as expected. It's a nice fresh fragrance, and I can definitely see myself using this because this will help me a lot. This is the fifth one, and this is the cucumber face wash. And I have never used a cucumber face wash. I have used the cucumber face pack, and cucumber face pack, but never a cucumber face wash. And this says helpful to control same things, purifying the skin, pimples and everything. And the same things, you can see the ingredients, manjishtha roots, neem leaves and everything, big names. Yeah, and this also same price, and everything is same. Manufacturing is also almost same, 04. And let's see the texture of this as well. See, it comes out the moment I face it down. This is the texture of this gel based texture, and the fragrance is like exactly like cucumber, same cucumber. Like if you have used the cucumber peel off mask, no sorry, the cucumber face wash, the fragrance is almost the same. If you have used the cucumber face pack, the same kind of fragrance. Yes. Now this is kind of an interesting product. This is a pimple gel from Roop Mantra, Zero Pimple Gel, and this says this is an Ayurvedic medicinal gel, and this removes pimples. So this retails for 136 rupees. Yeah, that is the price of this, and 15 grams in quantity, and everything is written. Let's see. So these are the ingredients, and you can see this has these things, and this has onion extracts, this has what do you call this has neem, this is onion, and this also has menthol. So this is it, and this says apply over properly cleansed affected area or whole face twice a day, or as directed by the physician. I will suggest you to apply it only on your pimple because this has menthol. This can give a little burning sensation. So on your whole face don't apply, just apply it on the pimple and give it the spot treatment. So let's open this. I have not opened this. Okay, so here is this. This is the Zero Pimple Gel, and this is how it looks like. Everything is written the same, which is written on the carton. Everything is written. Okay, so let's open this and see. Okay, this is like a clear gel. This is like a clear gel, and the fragrance is like the fragrance is like a menthol, or if I have to say like that, we have that kapoor in our house which we burn during puja and all. The fragrance is quite like that. So, and this does give a slight cooling sensation. Even it's giving it this on my hand as well. So this, apply this only on your pimple and you will definitely notice the results. This is the last product, and this is the Roop Mantra Ayurvedic Medicinal Cream, and this is a complete Ayurvedic skin health solution for the entire family. This is 30 grams and use for 3 weeks and see the results. This is for 93 rupees and this will expire by November 2020. Okay, so this is an Ayurvedic cream. What does this do? Okay, this helps in protecting from acne, pimples, boils, skin infections, refreshing, revitalizing, nourishing medicinal ointment suitable for every skin type. These are the ingredients: Kumari, tulsi, harida, gajar, seb, nimbu, kheera, badam, and everything. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, this has a leaflet. Okay, there are reviews of certain people who have used this and they have found this beneficial. And okay, here is the cream. This is how the cream comes in a tube, and this the same thing which is written on the carton, it is written here, so it's good. Massage gently over cleansed face or as directed by the physician. So let's see the texture. Okay, this is pink in color. If you can see, this is slightly pink in color. Screen. And the fragrance is very subtle, and like I really can't understand the fragrance. Yeah, but it's a faint, a little flowery kind of a smell, but it is very faint. So this is how you have to spread it on your arm, on your face, sorry, on your face, and this is how you have to spread this. You can see it actually got absorbed quite quickly. It got absorbed and no stickiness, not much, like it's fine. So it got absorbed quite quickly, so it's nice. It's a nice cream. I can see myself using this, and hopefully it won't turn my skin a little oily, because I sweat a lot on my face. Though my skin is dry, but I sweat a lot on my face. So I can see myself using this cream in the near future. So these are the products, and let's get back to the video. So these are the 5 products inside, 7 products inside the box. 5 face washes, 1 cream and 1 pimple gel. And the face washes I'll definitely use, and the result of face washes can be seen only after like 1 week or 2 weeks. So I'll be using these face washes, and now I don't think I have to buy face washes for the next 1 year, I guess, because these are so many. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked my take on this brand Roop Mantra. Do give this a try, and do try. The products are also nominally priced. The face washes are not that expensive. They're just for 83 rupees. And that was it, guys. I hope you liked my take on this brand. So I'll see you guys next time. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.